subscribe. So this is a model of the property. Just gonna take you on a quick round tour of it. You might be wondering what those stickers are there for. Well, those are already purchased apartments, ones with the stickers. Meaning, if you want to be a part of this community, you need to act fast. You need to act quick. That's the side view. And this is the rear view. With a rooftop. That's the rooftop area. And right below, that is the basement. Well, I'll give you an overview look on the interior. This is the bedsitter unit. Right over this side, this is a 2-bedroom unit. This is just an overview of the model. This is also another 2-bedroom unit. Different layout. And with a 1-bedroom as well. So guys, as you can see, if you need to purchase this property and be part of this community, you need to act fast, because it's almost sold out as it is. All units with the stickers are already sold out. Hello guys, once again, Felix here. Karibu to the channel, Just Living Life channel. Well, I'm a content developer for real estate and housing. I'm also a marketer. I have my company, Next Solutions, that deal with marketing of real estate developments. So today we are still in Ruaka. Yeah, this amazing property. I'm about to show you a show house, 68 square meters, and it goes for 5.5 million. If you have to purchase it, you can reach me on 0729-209-905. And kama kawaida guys, kama kawa, let's get right into it and let's show you this amazing 1-bedroom apartment. So guys, don't mind the noises in the background. Construction is still not complete yet. This property, this development is still months away. Well, amenities in this property include a large swimming pool, kids play area, a gym, and a rooftop garden. So this is the entrance to this 1-bedroom. Solid door. As soon as you walk in, to your right, you have your kitchen area. Looking flush and lovely. Looking Nice. I love the subway backsplash tiles on it. So right off the bat, you have your laundry area. You can put your washing machine in here, out here. You have your floor to ceiling window there. Bring the window down to let in that natural light. Right here you have your twin double sink. Electrical outlet right there. Nice quality cabinets. The handle feels great. Lovely, lovely. Your counter space is granite. I have multiple power outlets right there. With your little gas hob. So this is just a show house, guys. We have our hood extractor right here. Well, down below, pull out drawers, large enough. Another pull out drawer. Oh, soft close. Look at this, guys. Soft close. More cabinet space. More cabinet storage in here. And a sink storage as well. So right as you leave the kitchen area, you have your dining space. It is big enough, as you can see. That's a six-seater, fixed perfectly, and there's still a ton of space around it. So if in case you are wondering, it's not nice high ceiling with beautiful pendant lights. Ton of space. So it is huge. You can have your refrigerator right there. Some beautiful artwork. Lovely, beautiful chandelier as you walk into the living area. You have your console here with your table light. Well, I don't know if I can turn this on. Seems not. Floor to ceiling slide, glass door, high ceiling with that beautiful chandelier. This beautiful vinyl backboard for your TV wall, and your console down below. This is amazing. Hey Scooby-Doo. That's Scooby-Doo right there. This living area is quite huge. I believe it can fit an extra two-seater couch comfortably. Right outside we have the balcony area. You can have a little nice setup right here. Have a power outlet here to charge your devices as you're chilling and just having a good time in the balcony. So this sliding door opens both ways. It opens from both ways. So you can be having a good time on the couch right there and having this open and that nice cool breeze from Limuru hitting you. Amazing, beautiful property. So the developer is Loftel. So right off the living area and the dining, you have your bedroom space. Lovely door, guys. Look at that. Lovely door. Beautiful. Beautiful. As soon as you walk in, you have provision outlets there. Mount your TV wherever you feel like. Beautiful light fixture up above. This will fit perfectly a king-size bed. Large windows to let in that natural light. Let's have a look at the cabinets of the closet. Nice looking closets. Shelved. So this side you have the shelved closets. On this side you have upper storage with a hanging rod and some nice looking pull-out drawers. Oh, these are metal. I thought they were plastic. Nice. Awesome. Are these also soft close? Oh yeah, they are. Have a look at that. Soft close as well. Right off the bedroom. Right of the bedroom, we have our toilet here, shower, with the same lovely door. Shower space is huge. That window to let in natural light. Lovely quality fixture. So shower has sliding window doors as well, and they both open from either side. You have your curtain, towel rack right over here, and your mirror. Hey peeps, how's it going? You have your mirror here with the light Nice touch. Your vanity here. And some storage as well. Yeah. You can keep your shavers and all that in there. The detergents and soaps. So guys, that's pretty much it for this 1-bedroom apartment. So this is the only ready show house at the moment. In a couple of months, other different show house, different layout, different bedrooms, different square footages will be ready. And once that has happened, we'll do a shoot and put it out there for you guys, so that you can watch it as well and see what this developer is all about. So like I mentioned guys before, I have my own marketing company here in Nairobi, Kenya, called Next Wave Solutions. Do marketing for real estates and automobiles. So if you need to come view this show house, or rather you want to purchase, just give me a call on 0729 209 905. Other details of rental as well, just give me a call. I will let you know and connect you to the agency that deals with that. And please like, subscribe, comment and share. Let's meet in the comment section and to exchange views. Ama vipi watu wangu? Alright, wakurugenzi, peace out.